So ngayon, susunod sa ating program for tonight sa birthday ni Margarita Labon.
Happy birthday to Marga. Alright, so let's play some parlor games. Let's have a lively night.
Tama.
Alright.
Magaling siya mag-host, no?
So first game na lalaro natin ang gusto ng ating birthday girl, ng ating debutant is pahabaan ng happy birthday.
Isa.
Hindi ako magaling.
Barbara? O, hawag mo naman sa'yo, magbulron.
Five participants daw.
5 participants. Andrew? Si Andrew? Alam mo sa Andrew?
Rules lang ng ating game.
Okay, sige.
Ang rules lang ng ating game, pahabaan ng happy birthday, Marga.
Price is going to be house and lot! Let's go! Yan naman tayo, partner, di ba? Okay, sige. Let's have participants again. Let's from the area here.
Special request from our birthday celebrant.
Nagdan sa game.
Alright, sige. Let's have the answer now.
Sige, ulang pa ng isa. Sige.
Yes, sorry. Would you like to like sa service mo? Pakakita natin. Pero ba?
Si John Philip, Jan. Apil, Jan.
Si Emma, let's go!
Si John Philip live.
John Philip?
Ha?
Ay, no. Okay, sige, dito kayo man. Let's go dito tayo. Right, sige, guys, remember, ang pinaglalaban dito ay House and Lot!
Ayan.
House and
So
lot.
let's start from left to right. Hello. Pakilala po kayo and kaano-ano po kayo ni Marga.
Third grade playing the games. Hi everyone.
Alright, sige. Okay. Pakilala na tayo sa ating mga studio audience.
Kita mo rin. Marami mo.
Ano natin Alright, sige. Let's see. No, kayo po muna ang gagawa ng first attempt natin. Dito naman tayo. Sa front staging. Let's go. Anyways. Alright, sige. Ready na ba tayo? Hindi. Alright, sige. Gagawin na natin. Timer tayo. Birthday Marga. And then, prolong up until sa kaya. Alright, sige. Let's start in 3, 2, wait, down. Alright, sige. Ready na? Sige.